Welcome everyone. We are from Vision Gate. I am Nisha Rathod and we are having Q&A session with our toppers. Right now we have Aishwarya Gupta who secured Air 254 in Gate. Congratulations.
Thank you.
So let us start by your journey. Tell us something about yourself.
Well, I did my engineering from Thakur College of Engineering and Technology, and when I was in third year, so in my college seminar I came across this GATE examination. So I had three options as every student had, opting for either placement or doing masters from abroad or doing masters from India itself. So I wanted to be in India, and so I opted for GATE. And then talking about the admission, actually there's a story behind it as well. On the day when I came here for inquiry, on that day I was going to take admission in some other coaching class, but then I got referenced to sir by my mother's friend. Her daughter was one of the sir's best favorite student, so I didn't give any second thought and I took admission in Vision Gate. And as you can see, it was a great decision.
Sir, tell us something about Aishwarya.
So, if I remember correctly, Aishwarya joined somewhere into the mid of 2018 for a GATE preparations. No, you joined mid 18 for the GATE preparations, and it is 1.5 years program. So, as you look at right, even Aishwarya did not remember when she joined, but I remember actually when she joined. So, yes, right. So, GATE 2018 first batch results declared. Prachi Karwa, who's my favorite student, and she's a kind of a daughter for me, and we have a long association with complete family. And Prachi's mother has recommended, right, Aishwarya mother, that you should join the Vision Gate. And once he said, right, about the Prachi reference, so of course, right, since Prachi was very close to me, so I thought, okay, yes, you have taken a good decision. So at that time there are two batches, GATE 2019 and GATE 2020. So actually before the 2021 you cannot appear in GATE further in third year. So they were completely dedicated for the 2020 GATE preparations. Of course colleges are also going on. She is staying into the Thane college, into the right Borivali and FOS. So she prepared for 2020, but whenever actually she found that the other students are able to tell the answer very quickly, she get actually easily demotivated, and she think, right, it would be very difficult to get the actually admission into the IITs or ISCs. And then actually what happened, once she used to appear into the test, other people may be scoring 70, 75, 80. She was scoring like 35 initially, 40, 45. So she appeared into the GATE. And I personally feel her GATE performance was, right, definitely not best, but it was good. Somewhere she got close to 46 approximately marks, right, and ranks in actually 2000s. Yeah, 3000. And then I thought the way actually you have prepared and the kind of very casual approach of the preparations and whatever marks you got it, so she discussed with me and I have guided her, okay, why you are not repeating for the GATE 2021 and you have a potential. I have right, recognized her potential in very early days. I remember even once she joined Vision Gate in very early days, there was a problem of ISI Institute, and it was the problem regarding to the overflow. So GATE 19 students struggled to solve that problem, and on the very first day she was able to solve the problem. That was not only one problem. There are many tricky problems which I have seen Aishwarya was able to solve. But somewhere she was not confident. She lose her courage while looking the others' performance. Even she started in 2021, but with the same personality traits. Still she has a fear, right? Whether I will be able to clear or not. And I am a general candidate. I don't have any EWA, nothing I have, right? Whether I'll get good marks or not, whether I'll be able to get admission into the good IITs and ISC or not. So even during this whole year of preparation, there are times when she felt actually down. But good part is, somewhere in the month of December, right? She again, because she was not working, she has already passed out her engineering in 2020, so no other choice. You have left out 2 to 3 months. Either you prepare for the gate, right? No other chance. So she took very right decision. So from November onwards, or you can say December, she thought, okay, no, I'll start my preparation with full fledged. So she used to appear into the daily tests, attending the classes and all those things, and there are improvements. There are occasions also when she has given tests, even at the very last moment, right, December and January, and she got the marks in 50s. At that point of time, actually, we thought if we get the marks in 50s, and if you look at the record of previous 4 or 5 years, so nothing is going to happen. If I am right, I told her one day, I guarantee that you will be selected. Right? Just to boost up confidence, and definitely I had a confidence. She has knowledge. GATE is actually checking the right aptitude, and the same thing she had. But she doesn't have a confidence in herself whether I can do this thing or not. And finally, yes, she succeeded, and she got rank in 200s. But she can get much better rank than whatever she is getting as of now, and she must be agreed with, right? If she would not have been done very silly mistakes, what she can easily do, right? Definitely her rank will be in the top 50s. Even post examination, right? So for those students who think, right, that I cannot qualify, if the very brilliant students are not able to qualify, then what I'll do, right? So actually, if I'll say Aishwarya is a victim of that. She is very intelligent, but somewhere she lack actually confidence. Even yes, definitely she is going to IIT, she is going to join it, but her rank could be much better. So post GATE actually examination, once we'll discuss over phone, her voice was very low, and she was quietly disappointed that I performed very worse way into actually GATE examination. Then I have motivated her, no, that is not the case. I remember that I was in auto and going for a party in afternoon, right, somewhere 11 to 1, 11 a.m. actually. So because I need to reach there at 1 p.m. So over phone I was discussing over Aishwarya, she was feeling very low. Then I discussed, but I had complete faith at that time. Even in her worst performance, she is definitely going to rank within top 300. I have a lesson for her. You must believe in your strength. With the God grace, if you are intelligent, you can understand the things well, then definitely you should have a confidence. Don't look at the others. Whenever you will go in IIT, because all the cream students are there, maybe you are very good in something, but they are good in other things. And actually first semester is very difficult in IITs and ISCs. So sometimes people lose their confidence. You can be definitely able to do, you will get definitely very good CGPA in IITs, but initial time everyone struggle, and you are also going to struggle. But don't demotivate yourself. Always remember my statement, and it is going to help you a lot. You have caliber. Even if you are getting in the initial test 1 marks, 2 marks, you are not able to submit the assignment, you are not able to solve the assignment, but over the period of time, it will happen with everyone. You are definitely going to get very good CGPA. So never demotivate yourself and work hard, and you are very intelligent.
Thank you so much, sir. This will help every one of us, not only the people who passed out and are done with GATE, but also us. So now, Aishwarya, I would like to ask you, what were the difficulties you faced and how did you tackle them?
when I said I didn't had too much of confidence. Even this year when I was preparing for GATE, there were many times that I thought that I won't be able to clear it, and I have cried multiple times. And many of my friends like Ashutosh also, he motivated me a lot, and many of my doubts were cleared by my fellow friends. And sir always used to motivate me. And I did had backlogs this year as well, but I didn't get off the pace with sir. And I did sir, whatever sir told, I followed it rigorously as much as I can. And I had backlogs and I cleared it slowly. And
Yes, about the backlogs. How did you do the backlogs? Like how do you clear the backlogs? Right now, all of us are having some or the backlogs in some subjects. So we'd like to know that.
firstly, whatever sir teaches you currently, do not keep it as a backlog. Go off in that pace only, and slowly, steadily you take, like if supposing you haven't solved the EQ and sir has now started up with another subject, then don't stop solving that subject EQ for completing your backlog. Take some of your backlog, like take one chapter, complete it, but do not do that thing that I will complete this, whatever sir is teaching currently, I will complete it later, first I'll finish off with my backlog. Don't do that thing.
So Aishwarya, how was your schedule? Did you prepare a timetable or something like that?
I didn't had that much of timetable kind of thing. I used to do studies whenever I had time, and I didn't follow any kind of proper timetable.
As we know, you gave your exam, the first attempt in final year, and then you again decided to give another attempt. So how did you decide this?
Well, I was sure that under sir's guidance I will be able to clear it, but at that time also I was a little skeptical about it, but then sir motivated me a lot, and I know that when you are under guidance of sir, then you will be able to clear it.
Okay. So are there some tips you would like to give next batch?
Yeah, I would say that a person learns more from their failure. So what mistakes I did in GATE 2020, I would like to focus upon that more. Firstly, I didn't have confidence, and at the starting I was a good student in studies, but then I had too much of backlog, and I was not at all focusing on studies to that extent as I must be. I had low confidence and I thought that I won't be able to clear it. But I would like to say that do not lose hope. At the end, finally what happens is that in that 3 hours of test, it may happen that you, even by hearing what sir is teaching you, you will be able to click at that time, you will be able to solve that problem. So do not lose hope and constantly keep on studying, okay? And solve test series as much as you can. In GATE 2020, I solved only 3 to 4 FLTs of a test series conducted by sir as well as other test series. So that is one mistake I did. And do not ever think that your preparation is not done. It won't be done, but you are at that position wherein you know very much about every subject. And in my previous attempt, I didn't study subjects like operating system and computer network. And this time I didn't did that mistake.
How you used to manage your notes? Did you used to write everything that sir used to say, or you used to make them from your own words?
I would like to tell you that please maintain notes, proper notes, because during last time revision, these notes help you a lot. And even this time I did that mistake. I didn't make notes of few subjects. So at last I spent most of the time revising. So if you have notes, then you may take 2 hours to revise it. But if you do not have notes, then you may take 3 hours, 4 hours, which is not good at the time of revision at the last time. Like when you have only 1 week left for examination. So please maintain notes.
Sir, what are the qualities of Aishwarya you think we can overcome the fear of confidence or self-learning?
Okay, so there are many things, right? First and foremost is very intelligent. Right? So even actually in GATE 2021 batch, there were very few students who actually matched her level. So just actually what I told multiple times today, there was some lack of confidence That's why she was not able to perform that much well. My lesson to her, right, she should believe in herself and she should believe in her strength. And other thing, right, normally actually Aishwarya is very kind of a decent, she speak very less actually with the peoples, right. So whenever you are in IITs and ISCs, so we can't understand every problem, right. So we require help, and help in the sense means discussions and debates are very important tool to learn the things. So once you will go in IITs and ISC, you will find there is assignment are given for which even you will not be able to understand what does it mean and how should I proceed. And there is a huge penalty of the plagiarism in IITs. How you can learn subjects, right? Once you will start discussion with your classmates, your peer groups. It doesn't mean that you will like everyone, all the habits, right? But yes, there are some professional relationships, right? We should be able to communicate with everyone, right? Freely we can ask the questions, discuss the topic, and answers the also problem. That definitely you need to learn. Because to understand what is in her mind, many times I discuss with her a lot, and then I am able to get something out of it, right? Actually, what is the problem? What she think about it, right? We used to have a lunch together, right? Here itself only. So definitely discussions and debates, because you are going to get world-class peer group. In India, there is no institute which is better than IITs and ISC, right? And even in the computer science, right? This is the topmost branch. Even other branch people want to take admission in computer science, but generally computer science student doesn't want to take admission into the other branch. So you can say, right? I shouldn't say the teacher, but whatever is true, right? You are from the topmost branch. You are going to be the IITs and ISC. Remember, their graduate student will be also there, and they are the finest cream in the country. There is no better student than IIT graduate student. So if you will communicate with them, if you will learn from them, right, understand things from them, it will help you a lot in terms of your professional growth and of course the personal growth also. So my message to her, be communicative, make there definitely peer groups, discuss and debate with them. You may not like all the habits of everyone, but still discussions and debates are very much required. Believe in your strength, and you are, if I am saying that you are intelligent, your positivity, believe in this thing, right? And once you will have a confidence, then definitely you will rock like anything.
Thank you so much, sir, for always being there to motivate all of us. I hope our audience will also find sir very motivating, and if you also have any doubts, you can write in the comment section. We will always be there. We have our contact numbers. You can also talk with our toppers, and we will be back with our Q&A session soon. Thank you so much.